Hello and welcome to Excite Care Universal Solutions. I am Sakina Abbasi and I'm proud to be associated with this business for the last 12 years. This business was started by my father-in-law, Mr. Ghulam Abbas Abbasi, and I'm here to continue his legacy forward. It was because of his vision and hard work that today we are one of the most talked about Excite service providers in the town. Our journey started in 2013 and Mr. Abbasi, coming from a non-business background, had put in a lot of heart and soul into building up this business. This was his post-retirement venture. From 2013 to 2020, this business was solely managed by Mr. Abbasi. I was just a partial contributor. After his sudden demise, we had two options: either to wrap up the business or we could continue this business. We chose to continue his legacy forward. Excite has been one of India's most trusted and reliable brands for all vehicular batteries and home and commercial backup systems. Our products are highly durable, reliable, and are built to keep you moving ahead in life without any hitch. What sets us apart? We are not just selling products, but we believe and focus in providing complete solutions. Our team offers personalized door-to-door services, and our experts are always ready to assist you with any on-site problems so that you are never left stranded. At Excite Care Universal Solutions, your comfort is always our priority. We believe in going the extra mile, not just in our service, but in the relationships we build with our customers. Our mission is to exceed customer expectations and to empower you with perfect energy solutions. Whether it is for your bike, car, home or office, we always have got you covered. किसी भी नए बिजनेस में कस्टमर बेस बनाना बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट काम होता है, but this can only happen when you can have trust in your customers and customers have trust and faith in you. हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज यही था कि हमारे कस्टमर्स का ट्रस्ट रीगेन करना था, वो ट्रस्ट जो उन्होंने हमारे फादर इन लॉ में दिखाया था और हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स में। उनकी एब्सेंस में जब कस्टमर्स आते थे तो उन्हें थोड़ा सा डाउट रहता था कि अभी एक लेडी चला रही है बिजनेस, तो विल शी बी एबल टू मैनेज, या उनको इतना नॉलेज है या नहीं है, तो हमें इनके साथ बिजनेस कंटिन्यू करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए। काफ़ी एक डाउट दिखता था मुझे कस्टमर्स के चेहरे पे। सो आई हैड टू ओवरकम दैट एंड लाइक वी ऑलवेज से कि once you step into someone's shoes, then only you come to know how it is to be done. So यहाँ पापा की जगह बैठ के I have grown, I have learned a lot of things, and I have taken examples from him, the way he had handled business, the way he had handled customers. एक रैपो कैसे बनाते हैं अपने कस्टमर के साथ, ये सबसे बड़ी चीज़ थी जो मैंने उनसे सीखी थी, and I still follow that. सो धीरे धीरे टाइम लगा, काफ़ी टाइम लगा, बट कस्टमर्स का ट्रस्ट हमने वापस रिगेन भी किया, एंड दे आर वेरी हैप्पी टू कम बैक टू अस, एंड दे डोंट फील पापाज एब्सेंस दैट यू नो नाउ ही इज़ नॉट देयर, सो हमारे कोई सर्विसेज में असर पड़ा है या हमारे प्रोडक्ट क्वालिटी में फ़र्क पड़ा है। दे आर वेरी हैप्पी टू नो एंड दे स्टिल कम बैक टू अस। सो कस्टमर्स जो हमने 2013 में बनाए थे, आज भी they are still associated with us and they are very happy and they still are looking forward to continue the business with us. So like I said, ये सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज था। बाकी प्रोडक्ट नॉलेज एंड एवरीथिंग आई हैव ग्रेजुअली लर्नड। 50% आता था, 50% पापा के जाने के बाद में सीखा धीरे धीरे, एंड ऑफ कोर्स फैमिली का बहुत सपोर्ट रहा है मुझे। My mother-in-law, my husband, my daughter, they have supported me in every way that they could do it, and I'm really grateful to them. उनके सपोर्ट के बिना शायद मैं यहाँ फुल टाइम आके ये जॉब नहीं, ये बिजनेस नहीं कर पाती थी। They are the backbone behind this business. वो लोग I think यहाँ नहीं है, they cannot be a part of this business as I am, but backend में full support रहा है मुझे उनका. So today, for the last 4 years, I'm taking care of this business whole and soul, and I'm very proud to say that we've grown from what we had started back in 2013. So ये last 10 years की जो 10 to 12 years की जो journey रही है, it is like a graph which is going up, and by God's grace and by my father-in-law's blessings, we hope to go ahead. So whenever you need a boost of energy, think of Excite Care Universal Solutions. Let's move forward. Together we can, and together we will.